Hello. Today we would like to demonstrate how you can invite friends or generally invite people to Telegram. So first of all, let's launch the app itself. Here at the top left corner of your display, tap on these three white lines. Next, among the available options we can go for, you want to tap on the invite friends section. And in here you can either, invite any person from the list of your contacts, as you can see over here, or simply send them the invite link by tapping on the share Telegram option, which you can copy and send to any given person basically who does not have the Telegram yet. And this invite link and invite text will look just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.